In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a vignette in Premiere Pro just like this in less than a minute. Alright, I've got two clips in the timeline, and we're going to add our vignette effect to an adjustment layer above the clips. So let's head over to the project panel, click New Item, Adjustment Layer, hit OK, and drag that adjustment layer over to a track above the clips. I'll stretch that out to cover both clips, select it, and we're going to use the Lumetri color panel for this. If you don't already have that open, just go up to Windows and select Lumetri color. And we're going to go straight down to the last panel of Lumetri, which is, surprise, surprise, vignette. And we've got 4 parameters to work with here: amount, midpoint, roundness, and feather. Let's start with the amount parameter. Drag the slider to the right for a white vignette, or drag it to the left for a black vignette. The further you go right or left, the brighter or darker the vignette. Let's go with -3 here for now, and then let's jump down to feather. Feather is used to soften the edges of the vignette, but I'm going to drag this all the way down to 0 for the moment. This will give you a better idea of how the other 2 parameters affect the vignette. Midpoint controls how far the vignette reaches inward, basically the size of the vignette. Roundness adjusts the shape of the vignette from a perfect circle to more of a curved rectangle. So for this shot, I'd probably set the roundness to somewhere around 30, bump the feather way up to around 90, and bring the midpoint in to, say, around 25 or so. And also maybe lighten it up just a little bit. And there you go. That's not too bad. And this actually works pretty well for both clips. No vignette, vignette. No vignette, vignette. I might actually make it a little darker for this clip. Just a couple minor adjustments. And that looks awesome. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a nice comment.